Welcome to the Obeya YouTube channel, where you can find professional expert knowledge to master your projects. In our today's video, we are going to talk about the realignment of business and IT. Introduction. In many organizations, the relationship between business and IT is polite, well-meaning, and deeply misaligned. Projects get started with enthusiasm, but somewhere along the way, coordination turns into friction. Decisions take too long. Priorities get lost in translation. And what the business expected is not what IT delivers. The root cause isn't unwillingness. It's the absence of structure. Business and IT are often managed as parallel systems, with their own goals, governance, and language. Alignment, in that context, becomes an event, a kickoff, a meeting, a workshop. But alignment doesn't last if it isn't built into the operating model. And that's exactly where leadership is needed, not to assign blame, but to design a better way forward. Where the disconnect starts. The disconnect often starts with good intentions. Business units define outcomes. IT defines effort. But somewhere in between, assumptions take over. The business expects solutions to be fast and flexible. IT needs to ensure security, stability, and scale. Without a shared model for decision-making, ownership, and accountability, teams start working in isolation, each optimizing their own view, but not the whole. The result is not conflict, it's silent misalignment. Meetings are polite but ineffective, decisions are postponed. Accountability becomes vague, and delivery slows down, not because of resistance, but because of fragmentation. From dual tracks to one operating model. True alignment isn't about better coordination, it's about shared structure, one language, one rhythm, and one way of working. That means moving from project thinking to product thinking. It means organizing around outcomes, not functions. And it means creating roles and routines that reflect this model, like business product owners, cross-functional teams, and integrated decision boards. It's not about merging IT into the business, or vice versa. It's about creating a space where both logics can operate together. Speed meets quality, innovation meets control, and demand meets delivery. This is not a one-time shift. It's an operating model transformation. And it works when the structure is designed, not improvised. Successful leadership leaders don't need to micromanage alignment, but they do need to design the conditions where alignment happens, by default, not by luck. That means defining shared goals across business and IT, assigning end-to-end ownership for value streams, establishing governance routines where priorities are visible and decisions are fast, and making sure that success is measured by outcomes, not by individual key performance indicators. It's not about more meetings. It's about better structures, ones that reduce noise and create flow. When business and IT share responsibility for the result, performance improves, and so does trust. Conclusion: business and IT alignment doesn't happen through goodwill. It happens through structure, not by managing harder, but by creating a model that enables clarity at every level. When alignment is treated as a system, not an event, everything changes. Projects move faster. Priorities become clearer. Ownership becomes real. And the old separation between business and IT fades into one shared focus: delivery that matters. Clarity, collaboration, commitment. That's not just a culture. That's a system, by design. If you do have any question how to connect strategy, business, and IT, please do not hesitate to get in contact for a free consultation.